And another super nice part for my friend Max build, the silent loop 360 from BeQuiet. This is gonna be neat. I love those super high-end and super pricey parts that I cannot afford myself. Okay, let's open up this puppy. Maybe I should just raise the cam a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit of second. I didn't expect it at all that it wouldn't fit in the camera frame. Okay, doesn't seem bad. Well, at least I have the good book now. Great. Let's dive in. Oh. BeQuiet Pure Wings 2. Cool. PWM fans, 120 millimeters. And look how tight those fins are. I know that they are static pressure optimized, but damn, really cool. Another Pure Wings 2, same thing, 120. What do we have in that goodies bag? Okay, cool. Intel CPU brackets, the screws, all those stuff. Okay. Oh, I guess those are AMDs. Yeah. Will not need that because the build gonna be running on Xeon CPU. Okay, so this is a PWM splitter for the fans. Other screws for the retention mechanism. They even supply the thermal paste. So I guess that there's no thermal paste pre-installed on the CPU pump. And here we have washers, bolts, nuts, nuts, and pre-tension springs. Cool. Another Pure Wings 2 fan. And la pièce de résistance. Look at this thing. What a wreck. Look. Let me remove the box. I don't know if you can see it right on the camera. Oh yeah. So as you can see, this is a complete copper radiator, and the fins are not too dense, so shouldn't need a lot of pressure to make it cool. And one really good thing that I didn't saw for a while on other radiators, I'm gonna try to show it right. Do you see those little tabs? So when you screw your fan, if you go too deep, you have those little tabs behind the holes, just to be sure that the screw will not puncture the radiator by permanently damaging it. If you look the alignment, the screw hole are directly on top of one water fin, so it's a really good thing they made here. And it's the same thing on both sides. Oh, this is really cool. Those are G1/4 fittings, so you can actually disassemble the hose from the radiator. So I guess that you could order like the 120mm model and just replace the radiator for a 360 and save a bunch of bucks here. The water block. Oh, you have the same detachable rings here, so you can even replace the complete hose. Oh, neat. You don't need a water reservoir with this setup, because the water block itself, you have a plug here. You can refill the whole system, or when in a couple of years of usage there's still some evaporation going on through the tube or the water block itself, so you can top it off and replace the water in it to restore its original cooling ratio, if I can say it like that. It's really good, really neat. I absolutely love it. And the base seems to be, I'm not sure if it's a nickel plating or a whole nickel plate. And the pump is super heavy. And nice branding though. Oh. And a 12 volts header. And if you look carefully, there's a black, a red and a blue wire, so you can monitor the pump itself in your motherboard BIOS to be sure that everything is fine. So you can set up an alarm either in Windows or Linux or your BIOS itself in case the pump fails, to be warned before your CPU temp rise sky high and damage your CPU or motherboard or any other components. It's not just a black metal part. It's it seems to be brushed and paint. Really neat piece. Yep. And even then, if the 360mm rad is not enough with this the Xeon CPU that's gonna go in Max system, with those super hose, it's possible to just add a second radiator on it. Wow. Man, this is so freaking cool. I'm super excited to do this build. Okay, well, thanks for watching. So this was the BeQuiet silent loop 360mm unboxing on TechWizard channel. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit like if you liked it. It dislike if you didn't like it. And see you in the next unboxing videos.